Hello, welcome back to Alnur School Virtual Learning Series. Today we're gonna learn spelling, Grade 5, Lesson 3, Consonant Sounds. A consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel. In writing, a consonant is any letter of the alphabet except A, E, I, O, and U. Examples: J in journal, S in excuse, Sk in scheme, S in scene. These are the 4 consonant sounds that we are going to discuss in this lesson. Excuse, to make apology for. Example: he was excused from the lesson. Journal, it is a daily newspaper or a periodical. I wrote an article in a journal. Japan, a name of country. My father is in Japan. Scholar, a learned person. My friend is a scholar. Scene, a stage setting, landscape. Example: it was a beautiful scene. Science, a study of a subject. They are studying science. Excellent, very good of its kind, eminently good. My sister is an excellent girl in her class. Scent, sense of smell, perfume, or odor. The room has a good scent. Muscle, a body tissue like bone or skin. His muscle is very strong. Schedule, arrangement or plan of a program. The school provided schedule of exam. Exclaim, to cry out or speak in strong emotion. The kids were exclaiming at night. Dodge, an act of avoiding by sudden bodily movement. The teacher dodged my questions. Explore, to investigate, study, or look into. The travelers are exploring the world. Gigantic, exceeding the usual size, very big. It was a gigantic ship. Fascinate, to command the interest of. The kids were fascinated with their new toy. Smudge, a blurry spot or streak. The wall is smudged with paints. Pledge, a promise. All students made a pledge to save water. Scheme, a plan or program of action. The company has a new scheme for insurance coverage. Ginger, a flowering plant that is used as a spice. My mother added ginger to her food. The last word is schooner. It is a vessel, kayak, or like a boat. The passengers are traveling in a schooner. Now you have an assignment on your RWN pages 204 and 209. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.